Down in Waterford town on a cold winter's night, well, the turf fires were burning when I saw the light. Oh, when a drunken old midwife went tipsy with joy, as she danced from the floor with her slip o' a boy, singing Banyan Modas and a Gauna, and the juice of the barley for me. Well, when I was a gazin' half 8 years or so, with me turf and me school bag to school I did go, to a dirty old schoolhouse without any door, where lay the schoolmaster blind, drunk on the floor, singing Banyan Modas and a Gauna, and the juice of the barley for me. At the learning I wasn't such a genius, I'm thinking, but I soon bet the schoolmaster entirely at drinking. Oh, not a wake nor a wedding for 5 miles around, but myself in the corner was sure to be found, singing Banyan Modas and a Gauna, and the juice of the barley for me. So one morning the priest read me out from the altar. He says you'll end up your days with your neck in a halter, and you will dance a fine jig between heaven and hell. And his words that did frighten me, the truth for to tell, singing Banyan Modas and a Gauna, and the juice of the barley for me. So the very next morning as dawn it did break, I went down to the vestry, the pledge for to take. But sure, who should I see there all seated in a bunch, but the priest of the parish drinking tumblers of punch, singing Banyan Modas and a Gauna, and the juice of the barley for me. Well, from that day to this I have wandered alone. I'm a jack of all trades, but I'm a master of none. Oh, with the sky for me roof and the earth for me floor, I will end up me days drinking poaching galore, singing Banyan Modas and a Gauna, and the juice of the barley for me.